The first thing I want to do is add a title slide or a title block. So I am going to press on Add a Block. And here you have options for media only, text only, media and text. There's also special features, burst, and logo if you'd like to add a logo. I'm going to put text only. I'm going to click on that. And it's not in the order that I want it in, so I have to just scoot it over far enough to where they switch places, and now I have it in the correct place. You can highlight on this, and delete. And I'm going to name it the same thing I did earlier. So I'm just going to say Mrs. Girma's video. And over here you also have options if you want to change the layout or you want to change the color of the background, but I'm going to leave it as is. So the next thing I'm going to do is on my next block here, I'm going to choose to add media. Now, we went over earlier that there are free stock videos here, or you can add your own project or your favorites. I went ahead and inserted some that I wanted to use. So here, I'm just going to put in a picture of my family. However, you can see it's too big. So I'm going to scale it down so we can see it a little bit better. And if I wanted to add text to this, I could, and it would just say, I'm going to highlight here. You can highlight it all and delete. Well, you can. This is going to say my family. And then you're able to move this around wherever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and put it down here. So then the next, I'm going to add another block. And I just want it, I'm going to change the background, so I'll add that one. And I'm going to drag the next picture in here. And that's a picture of our pups. I'm going to go ahead and add, once again, there's a title, so I'll just, our pups, not my pups. My daughter would say that they're ours. So, and I don't want a subtitle, so let's see if we can just delete that. And I'm going to put this down here. You can move it around wherever you'd like, wherever you feel that it fits best. I'm going to add another block. And then I will add a picture of my daughter and I. That was just one summer afternoon. And I don't feel like adding a subtitle or text to this, but if I want to change the layout, I can. I like this one in particular because it gives you different shades of the picture. So I will choose that one. And then I'm going to add my last block. And I'm going to choose to drag my image here. And this is a picture of the beach because this is our happy place. So I'm going to add text and I'm just going to title it Our Happy Place. And I'm going to delete the subtitle and then just move this. I think I want to move the picture. Well, let me see. I want to move this title down here. And then I want to scale this picture to where we can see its entirety.